How do millionaires make money from index funds? I bet you're also curious, just like I am. This is an interesting topic today because in this channel, we're going to learn all about finances. So get your pen and paper ready, no rush. I need you to understand, and I will break down any complex things so that you can easily understand and we can move together. And remember, if you get value from this video, hey, leave a like and subscribe. Before we move on, first, I want to define what an index fund is because some of my viewers may be clueless about what an index fund is, and I want you to understand so that you can move along together. You can always expect me to break down the difficult finance jargon so that you can understand and make wise investment decisions. So, what are index funds? An index fund is like a big shopping basket full of different company stocks. But instead of buying one single company, like you buy stock from one company like Apple, like Google, no. Instead of buying one single company, which can go down, the price can go up or down quickly, you are buying a piece of the entire market. It's like a basket that holds different companies, like the SP 500, which holds the 500 biggest companies in the US. Please check other videos that I've done. I've explained what the SP 500 is. So, why do we say that the index funds are boring? An index fund is like a steady investment vehicle that you just start. And it's boring because you don't need to keep on checking it daily. You don't have to keep tabs daily. You invest in it and just let it grow. It's not a matter of becoming an overnight millionaire. No, you have to give it time. When investing in index funds, you should be ready for steady, long term growth. There's no rush. Index funds grow with the economy. If the economy grows, your index fund grows. Historically, the S&P 500 returns about 7 to 10% annually, even after inflation, even after the market crashes. So you are assured of getting money because you have invested in an index fund. And for example, if you invest 500 a month for 20 years in an index fund, earning 8% annually, you'll have over $275,000 even if you never increase your deposit. So it's not a matter of every month you're forced to chip in and increase your funds so that you make money. No, just do your calculations well, save what you can save, and your investment grows day by day. If at any point you feel like I'm going too fast and you haven't taken down the points, just pause the video and take down the points. And even as we go through this lesson, you have to reflect on your personal finance journey. That is how these pointers are going to help you make wise financial decisions. How many times have you messed up financially because you made decisions using your emotions? Millionaires avoid costly emotional financial mistakes. Don't panic if there's a issue in the market and just sell all your stocks. No, that's not how you make a decision. You avoid panic. You don't also overtrade because I'm so happy or I lost and now I have to overtrade to make up for what I lost. No, that's a bad decision. You don't also chase the news. You don't chase the stocks. You don't make decisions based on just hot news that has come up. No, you have to do your research well before you make any investment decisions. And remember, before you make any investment decisions, consult your personal financial advisor who can be able to guide you. But now, from this channel, at least you have an idea of what you need to find out before you place your money on the table. Remember, slow and steady wins the race. If you need to wait at the intersection a little longer, do so and make the right decision. Wouldn't it be so nice if you didn't have to pay any fees on the financial instruments that you use? So, the beautiful thing about the index funds is that you can enjoy low fees. You know that fees can really eat into your investments and saving. And remember, here we want to become financially free. So, index funds, you can enjoy low fees. That means that it does not eat into the amount you have invested. And if your amount is solid, it means you can make more profits. It means that your compounded interest is higher. You get better returns because the fees don't eat into your funds. Third, it's also easy to invest because remember, you have to set aside some amount in your budget to just cover fees when you're investing. In a different episode, I will have covered how to make a plan that can help you save, invest, pay your debt so that you can be financially free. Invest in learning how money works so that the money can work for you. You don't have to do the heavy lifting. Let's keep moving. As I introduced index funds, I covered the point on the fact that you're going to invest in many different companies at once. So you're not betting your money on one company. And if one company goes down, then you've lost money. No. If one company fails, your whole investment does not collapse. This means you have spread the risk. Okay? And that is what the millionaires enjoy. For example, instead of betting all your money on Tesla or Amazon, you're holding a piece of both plus Apple plus Google plus Microsoft plus Coca Cola all in one basket. So it is rare that all of them should go down. It is rare that you lose your money. You will get returns, at least a percentage annually, because of that diversification. All the companies cannot go bankrupt. It is rare. So you can enjoy income and you can bet on it. Remember to subscribe because I will post another video on how you can retire early just depending, building a fund from the returns of such financial tools. Remember, slow and steady wins the race. Be consistent, we'll get there. And that is why you have to be ready to get rich with patience. There's nothing like overnight millionaire. No, 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 no. You make plans and you watch your wealth grow over the years. That is what millionaires do. They don't get rich fast or using tricks. They get rich with patience. Okay? Real wealth is built over time, not from luck or secret hacks. No. And millionaires, they use these index funds to automate wealth. So as their businesses are bringing in money, they invest this money in these financial tools. And these financial tools give them money. And this money works for them to also produce more money. So you see, it's like a cycle. And once you have built enough momentum, it means the money keeps on coming in even without that hard work. Okay? So that's how you feel your basket with finances. No speed, no rush. With a good solid plan, you'll get to where you want to be. You'll achieve financial freedom. Compounding works wonders over the year, but another thing you also have to just be keen about is that millionaires use index funds in tax advantage accounts like IRAs or 401ks or equivalents. Okay, so the longer the money stays in, the more it grows due to compound interest. Compound interest is when your money starts making money and that money also makes more money. So it keeps on growing over the years. So take advantage of that and grow your financial muscle. Consult your personal finance advisor before making any financial investment decisions. And remember, let the index funds do the heavy lifting while you focus on what truly matters. You can focus on freedom, you can focus on peace of mind, you can focus on long term security. If you have any questions and comments, leave them down in the comment section, and our business community will help you improve your personal finances. Keep moving. Remember, slow and steady wins the race.